Taxi operator gone missing. Family and friends worried about his well-being. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 45-year-old Nigel Johnson, a taxi operator of Lincoln Road, Kingston 5, has been missing since Wednesday, March 27. He's of dark complexion, slim build, and has a tattoo of a cross on the upper right arm. Reports from the Darling Street Police are that Johnson was last seen at home around 8 p.m. He was wearing a blue polo shirt and blue jeans pants. All efforts to contact Johnson have proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Johnson has been asked to contact the Darling Street Police Station at 876-948-6773, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.